Hi there and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through how to enable ligatures in the PyCharm editor on Windows 10. Ligatures help make your code more readable and beautiful by combining multiple characters into a single symbol. Let's dive into the process and see how it's done. First, open your PyCharm editor on your Windows 10 PC. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the Settings icon. Select Settings to open the configuration window. In the Settings window, find and click on Editor on the left sidebar. Then, click on Font under the Editor section. Under the Font section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Font Ligatures. Go ahead and check this box. You should now see a live preview of your code with ligatures in the left pane. If it looks good, you're all set. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save the changes and close the Settings window. That's it. Enabling ligatures in PyCharm is quick and easy, and it really improves the coding experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.